Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to use Bevel Modifier for selected edges. This is the default scene in Blender. I will use the default cube to add the Bevel Modifier with selected edges. Now I select the cube and go to Modifier Properties and go to Add Modifier. Go to Generate. We can choose Bevel Modifier. And then we can go to Bevel Modifier. We can adjust the amount. We can adjust number of segments. Now we can see that all the edges are at Bevel. If we want to add Bevel Modifier for selected edges, we can go to Limit method. We can choose Weight. And then select the cube and go to Edit Mode. Switch to Edge Selection. And select the edge that we want to add bevel, and then go to the side panel. Go to Edge Data. We can increase bevel weight. Also, we can adjust the amount in Bevel Modifier to adjust the size of bevel. So we can see that we use Bevel Modifier for one edge. If we want to add bevel for multiple edges, we can select another edge and then add bevel weight. So this is how we can use Bevel Modifier for selected edges. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.